The final bell, Purple Life MagiX kaleidoscope style. The future is now. Side effects of this frequency may include remembering your power, shedding illusions, and creating a reality so true it makes the system glitch. Purple isn't just a color, it's what's born when you integrate your truth through the red-blue division storm. Apparently, that's why the universe gave me lupus, just to make sure I'd mix blue and red properly. Spoiler, challenge accepted, and I made it fashion. This isn't a test, but a turning point. From drifting to shifting, from Egomania to United MagiX, turning division pain into PowerPurple. Let's create. Still blaming the system while binge-watching your own downfall? Remember, your soul GPS was never broken. You just stopped trusting your inner compass. Stop snoozing on your own evolution and shift into the amazing being you were destined to become. And please don't heal to fit back in. We disrupt the game and redesign the rules. Non-compliance is your superpower. You're not defiant, you're divinely done with delusion. Lead loud, love louder. The ripple starts with you. And beware that United MagiX doesn't RSVP to indecision. We didn't come this far to play small. Spread the love, MagiX, and don't stay mute. No saviors coming. The portal's open because we're it.
Yeah!
So what now? Comment like your voice shakes timeline.
Yay!
Share like someone's awakening depends on it.
Okay.
Subscribe like you're anchoring a new reality. We rise, we ripple, we create this thing together. One bold, colorful stroke at a time.